Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 87 Commodore Parkway in Brighton.
This is a charming storybook colonial, so let's take a tour.
This is all of yesterday's charm with today's updates, with an expansive living room with a gorgeous fireplace, built-ins, and hardwood floors. Open to a dining room with a detailed arched entryway, crown molding, and wainscoting, leading to a white and bright kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and those beautiful hardwood floors. The first floor also features a spacious family room with an adjacent powder room and a screened-in porch, great for relaxing. While the upstairs features a spacious master bedroom, plus 2 additional bedrooms and an updated full bathroom.
This private backyard is landscaped to perfection. Ellison Park Heights is a very special neighborhood, steps away from Corbett's Glen and Ellison Park. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 87 Commodore Parkway in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.